Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and selecting the campaign or ad group to update. Once done, open the Ads menu and go to Extensions. This is where you add assets that improve CTR and relevance. Make sure to gather the details now. Phone numbers formatted for click, business address for location extensions, site link URLs, and any price or promotion text. Doing this up front saves back and forth and speeds creation, so proceed to create your first extension immediately. You click the blue plus to add an extension and pick the type: site link, call, location, callout, structured snippet, price, or promotion. Next, fill required fields, headlines, descriptions, final URLs, and use the preview to check desktop and mobile displays. Then set scope. Attach at campaign or ad group level and apply device preferences or scheduling if needed. Keep descriptions concise and include keywords. This helps relevance and quality score, so review and save each entry carefully before moving on. You review every extension for accuracy and compliance, verifying URLs, phone formats, and business addresses. Once satisfied, click Save. Extensions will enter review and show status like eligible, approved, or disapproved. Monitor performance in the Extensions tab and compare CTR lift. If an extension is disapproved, check the specific policy reason. Common issues include inappropriate content, unsupported redirects, or mismatched landing pages, and fix the problem, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.